Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you my Toronto vlog while I was there in Canada. So without further ado, let's get started. I traveled from Montreal to Toronto in bus, and the average time taken was approximately 8 to 9 hours. This is Nathan Phillips Square and is Canada's largest city square, which is located at the intersection of Queen Street West and Bay Street and is named for Nathan Phillip, Mayor of Toronto from 1955 to 1962. The square is a site for concerts, art display, weekly farmers market, winter festival of lights and other public events. The Nuit Blanche Art Festival takes place over here. Then I took a boat cruise to the Thousand Islands, which is actually a group of more than 1800 islands on the St. Laurent River, straddling the border of US and Canada. This is a very scenic, picturesque place to visit, fun for the entire family. Like I said, I took a boat cruise and were able to see quite a bit of the islands. And voila, this is the Niagara Falls, and I shot this video from an observation deck at Skyline Towers. And just a quick overview, it is on the border between US and Canada. This is the Horseshoe Falls, also known as the Canadian Falls, and is the largest of the three waterfalls that collectively form the Niagara Falls. Its total height is 51 meter and width is 820 meter. The water from Niagara actually comes from Lake Superior, Lake Ontario and St. Laurent River. Niagara Fall is actually comprised of three waterfalls, the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls and the Bridal Veil Falls. Niagara is not only known for its beauty but also for its hydroelectric power. Now the actual journey begins, wherein you need to move to the customer care kiosk where you can collect your tickets so that you can board the cruise, and the cruise will take you near the Horseshoe Falls. It was breathtaking, and I cannot stress this enough that if you are in Canada or in the US, you must visit the Niagara Falls. I was flabbergasted because this was the first time I ever visited Niagara, and this was one of my memorable trip. You're supposed to wear a raincoat which is either blue or yellow in color, and they have Made of the Mist written on it because Made of the Mist is the boat tour of Niagara Falls. I am extremely sorry for the poor quality of the video because this was shot in 2013 and I had no idea that you can make YouTube videos, or I can post videos on YouTube, travel vlogs. So this is how I shot on a point and shoot camera, and I apologize once again. And that's me enjoying every bit of the Niagara Falls. Journey behind the falls offer unique view of the falls from behind and below. After thoroughly enjoying the Niagara, I had my lunch at a Korean buffet, and soon after that I booked tickets for a marine land, which is actually a themed zoo and amusement park in Niagara Falls, Ontario. I enjoyed the dolphin show, amusement rides, and the aquarium dome. I absolutely enjoyed the fireworks at Niagara. There is nothing quite like the sight of exploding fireworks over the brink of the Niagara Falls to make one's trip a memorable one. And with this, we have come to an end of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel down below. Please don't forget to turn the bell notification so that every time I upload a video you are notified. And see you on my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, be positive, spread positivity, and until next time, may the odds be ever in your favor. Goodbye.